Well, that's correct. You may be surprised at the way SBI has been buzzing lately. All oil marketing companies have been buzzing. Or other oil PSUs, GAIL, etc. have been buzzing. BEL, etc. have been buzzing. This entire clutch of PSUs have not been buzzing. They may be buzzing in the last couple of trading sessions. But if you look at the longer term, in the last 6 months, medium term, 6 months or 1 year, clearly a basket of PSUs in almost every sector, oil and gas, be it some select public sector banks, be it select defense companies, some strategic divestment candidates, all sorts of PSUs have been buzzing. In fact, if you look at the PSU Index, it has actually outperformed the Nifty in the last 6 month, 1 year basis. And that is because this area was clearly underowned. People were in denial that this can ever become, take the spotlight in the market. But what happened was when rest of the market actually ran up, they started looking frothy to section of the market. Big flows from HNI actually started flowing, and select global investors also, at least to the big ones, they started favoring the PSU pocket across the sectors. So that's why all kinds of PSU started running: oil and gas, metals, SAIL, etc., divestment candidate, BPCL, Concor, etc., strategic defense players. Government has clearly indicated that they are in no business for being in business. So there's a straight diktat from the government for all kind of PSUs. You have to become efficient companies. You have to cut slack. If you have to, sell out or divest non-core assets, go ahead and do it. But you have to become efficient companies. That is the message from the government. Many PSUs are adopting that, and that is why this entire space started buzzing a lot. And don't forget, for years in abeyance, people have not taken PSUs as investment grade. The valuations on aggregate were way lower than the public sector peers. So this, coupled with the government's agenda of turning them around, making them efficient, because then only the OFS or stake sales will happen, will fetch them more money if the valuations are good. All of that, and of course, underlying nature of PSUs as a pocket, started triggering a big outperformance. Traders, investors, as I told you, some of the global agencies also who track at least the top tier banks, top tier oil and gas companies, and strategic divestment candidates, all of them started pouring or positioning started happening. And that is the reason, if you see the PSU Index versus Nifty, or even for that matter SBI versus HDFC, you would see a big outperformance. And that is the reason why market right now, of course, taking it with both hands. But if you see, this started actually happening 6 months, 1 year back. Now it is only being seen in much more prominent manner.